In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a beautiful landing page using System.io, even if you're a complete beginner. It's super simple and you don't need any coding skills. Let's get started. First things first, go to System.io. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, don't worry. You can create a free account in seconds. Links in the description for a free trial. I'll tell you more at the end. Once you're inside your dashboard, look on the top and click on Funnels. This is where you create your landing pages, thank you pages, all that stuff. Now click on the Create button at the top right. You'll be asked to give your funnel a name, something simple like My Landing Page. Then choose your goal. For a landing page, just pick Build an Audience. Then click Create. Now you'll see a new funnel step has been created. Click on the step and then choose a template that you like. System.io has a bunch of nice landing page templates, so pick one that suits your style. Now it's time to edit your landing page. Just click on Edit Page. You'll be taken to a drag and drop editor. Super easy to use. You can click on any text to change it, like your headline, description, or button. Want to change an image? Just click on it and upload your own. No coding needed. Just drag, drop, and type. Make sure your button is linked to the next step, like a thank you page. Click on the button. You can also create a new step for the thank you page if you want. Once you're happy with the design, click Save Changes and exit the editor. Now copy the link from the funnel step and boom, you've just made your landing page live. Share it anywhere you want. And that's it. You just made your first landing page in System.io. Easy, right? If you want to try it out for free, check the link in my description. It gives you a free trial if you join from my link. Plus, you'll get access to my $30,000 a month ebook completely free when you sign up. Don't miss it. Start building today.